Now, company name is Shenzhen Mynew. We are a company mainly focused on development, sales, and manufacture. Our factory located in Shenzhen, Bao'an district. We developed this product last year and now have export around 30,000 pieces around the world. Now our main customers in Middle East like Saudi Arabia and Dubai, and we also have customer in Thailand and Australia and USA. This product, the main function is to help the car, prevent the car from the heat, especially for the country like Thailand and some other countries in the hot weather. With this car umbrella can reduce the temperature for 30 degrees. It's UV proof and waterproof. Now our car umbrella have two functions. One is for the car to prevent the car from the high temperature. Another is with this stance can use as an outdoor umbrella. Like people, they driving outside and park outside, they can take this as a fishing umbrella on the outside. We have the patents and we have the manufacturer, so we can provide most competitive price and also the most professional service.